In this guide, we're going over how to visit other players' garages and houses here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you need to have your friend create the convoy and become the convoy leader. They also need to allow visitors at their house or estate that they want to visit. And then from there, just have them invite you to their convoy. Once you're both in the convoy, open up the pause menu and then go specifically over to the convoy section, just like so. It'll look something like this for you. You need to select your friend's profile and then choose View Creative Hub. On the left side, you're going to see options to visit house or visit estate. Just select the location that you want to visit and you'll be transported there. If your friend has a custom garage layout, car displays, and other decorations, you'll be able to obviously walk around and view them. If the visit option does not appear, try having everyone leave the convoy first and then recreate it. Make sure that the friend whose property you want to visit is the convoy leader, otherwise this will not work. Keep in mind that sometimes vehicle colors, liveries, and designs may not load correctly when visiting another player's property. That's just a bug that's going on right now. Hopefully this will be fixed in the future though. But yeah, that's the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.